Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be talking today on how to buy this token Base Street Bets on Base Chain. I did a video yesterday about this new meme coin on Base Chain, and I explained why it has some potential and it can do good in the future. So first, this is not a financial advice. This channel is for entertainment and education only. So do your own research before participating in any project. So let's go and show you guys step by step how you can bridge it to Base Chain and then buy this token on Base Chain. So first, what you have to do, you have to bridge your ETH to a Base Chain, and the better way and the easy way to do it, to go to this website called changenow.io. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna choose here your ETH and you're gonna bridge it to ETH on Base. You can see here, you see the difference? You can see here ETH, and here it says ETH, but there is Base here in the bottom. So let's say you wanna send 0.3 ETH. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna click on change, exchange right here, and you see here it's calculating how much you're gonna get on each base. So here it says Recipient Wallet. Just let's put, for a sake of this video, I'm just gonna put my dummy wallet there, and you're gonna click here confirm. So when you confirm here, it's gonna give you an address where you have to send your ETH. I did use this website many times. It's very good website and it's easy to use. You're not gonna lose any of your token. In case if you lost your token, you can contact them and you will get your money back, your token back, 100%. This is not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research. I'm just showing you my way to do it. So if you have another way to bridge your ETH to ETH Base to the Base Chain, do it. I'm just showing you the easy way to do it. So what you have to do, you just have to copy this address and go to your wallet and send the money, send the ETH to this address. So when you're gonna send ETH to this address, you can see here the steps. It's gonna go from waiting deposit to confirming that they received the money, and then they're gonna exchange it and send it to your wallet. So easy as this. You're gonna copy this link, this address, and send the money, and when they confirm that they received the money, they're gonna exchange it and send it to your wallet. That's all what you're gonna need. After you receive your ETH on Base Chain, you're gonna go here to Uniswap. When you go to Uniswap, you're gonna make sure that you choose here Base Chain. You see here there is so many chains here. You're gonna use Base. So after you're using Base, you're gonna go to DEX tool. By the way, this token is pumping. Yesterday when I share with you the video, the market cap was 1 million. Now it's 2 million. It's 1x already. So if you put $30 yesterday, it's $60 today. If you put $1,000 yesterday, it's 2,000 today. So you're gonna copy the address here, and you're gonna go back to Uniswap. You're gonna go here, select token. You're gonna put the address here. Choose here the token. Okay, I have some ETH on my dummy wallet right here, and let's do just 0.01 for the sake of this video. And you're gonna get a 1,549,000 token. What you're gonna do? You see here, that's the thing I like about this base chain. The gas fee is very cheap. Look at here how much we're gonna pay, 0.21 cents. This is crazy. This is very cheap. You click on swap, confirm swap. You're gonna see here your wallet pumping. You're gonna confirm the transaction. Okay, it's going. You see here, swap success. You're gonna go back to your wallet here, and you can see here, I got it here, 1,549,000 token. Easy as this. It's easy. It's not hard to buy this token. So guys, if you like this video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and I will be doing more videos about this meme token and the latest update about this meme token. Like this, you can benefit from this token in the future. Thank you guys for watching my video, and don't hesitate to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.